In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a design title in Canva. Giving your design a clear title is a small step that makes a big difference. It helps you stay organized, find your projects quickly, and keep everything neat, especially if you work with a lot of designs. So in this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to click and what to do, and I'll also share a few quick tips to make your titles more useful in the long run. First, make sure you have your design open in Canva. This can be any type of design, a social media post, a presentation, a flyer, or anything else you're working on. Once your design is open on the screen, look towards the very top of the page. Up there, you'll see your profile area on the right-hand side, and just to the left of that, you'll notice the title field for your design. By default, Canva often gives your project a generic name, like Untitled Design, or something based on the template you used. This is the area we're going to change. Move your mouse to that title area at the top, right beside your profile name. When you hover over it, you should be able to click directly on the text. Go ahead and click on that title area. As soon as you do, the current text will become editable. You'll see a blinking cursor, just like when you're typing in a document. Now you can type in the title you want for your design. Choose something that clearly describes what the design is for. For example, you might include the project name, the platform, or the date, so it's easy to recognize later. Type your new title carefully, and when you're done, simply press enter or click anywhere outside the title box. Canva will automatically save this new title for you. You don't need to press a separate save button just for the name. From now on, whenever you go back to your Canva homepage, this design will appear with the title you just typed, making it much easier to spot in your list of projects. That's all there is to it. Click on the title area